multiple surfaces in your home, and we're going to do it with the Brothers Campanelli. This is the 10-piece mop, dusters, and towel machine washable set. Now, all made of microfiber. This is like thousands of sticky fingers that will grab and not just move the dirt around, it removes the dirt. Goes underneath the appliances, and when you need to wash it, just goes right into your washing machine for a quick wash and dry. It's very, very simple. So don't miss out on this. Whatever floor surface, whatever quarter round needs a little neatening up, or maybe around the toilet. If you have boys in your house, you have bad aim.
I have good aim.
Yeah, but you're the only boy in your house.
I am the only, well, I'm a man.
Well, you're the only man in your house.
That's true.
You're the only male in your house.
Well, I have male dogs.
They don't use the toilet.
If they could, I would be really rich.
This is Chris Campanelli.
Hi.
And not only is he a funny guy, he is one of the Brothers Campanelli that brings us these cleaning products for now 20 years.
We're in our 21st year.
21st year.
20 win already. It's like, oh my goodness.
Now it's 21.
Now it's 21.
All right. Well, then I stand corrected. 21. Now we have, do we have colors? Yes?
Yes. So the set is so small, and this set is so small, and this set that we're selling is so large, we have to do it on QVC.com. On the television.
QVC.com. We have it in red.
Yes.
So you get puppy fur towels.
Full set of puppy fur towels.
You also get
the extension pole. You get the mop head. And of course, you get the thing that attaches the mop to the head, which is the head itself. 2 dusters. Those are washable dusters, and those handles unscrew and they go on the long handle. If anybody was to ask me, hey, which set should I buy as like a starter set, this would be the set.
We also have it in pink. We have pink and red.
Yes.
We're much more limited in the pink. You choose a color because the color makes you smile or matches your house. Sure. They all do exactly the same job.
Yes.
How do these work?
Well, so the reason why we came out with this set in particular is to make sure that you can clean way up high, way down low, and everything in between, and never be without cleaning tools that you can actually bring to the job. So first of all, when you go to the store, you see stuff like this. These are disposable products. You think they work? They really don't do as an effective job as ours does, because microfiber is going to lift, trap, and remove. But the worst part about these is that they're disposable, David. You have to go back to the store and buy more over and over. Or maybe you're using what your grandmother used, which is a feather duster. And a feather duster just pushes dust from point A to point B. You're giving it a second chance to get into the air. You don't want to do that. Ours is so very different. Looped microfiber is going to lift, trap, and remove the dust. Everything gets trapped here. Oh, that's a great job. Thank you, everybody. Everything gets trapped right here. But now what do? I'm going to pull this little ball right here. I'm going to pull this off. Look at this. Now, if you follow me back here, this is going to be the ceremonial washer and dryer. Oh, the laundry basket. For the very first time, our duster sets, boom, the sleeves go in the wash machine, you put them in the dryer, and then you get to use them over and over and over
again. The only thing we ask you not to do is pair it with any fabric softener.
That's correct.
Because microfiber and fabric softener are not friends.
They are not friends.
They do not get along well.
Yeah, your fabric softener will clog the microfiber. So we give you the great big one, then we give you the one that can fit into those hard to reach places. David, think about this vase here. How would I get all the way down to the bottom? I can get all the way down to the bottom here, give it a couple little spins. But what I love about this, David, is if you look right here at the end, I can take this little loop off. You see that just threaded end, and then I can take my extension pole and put the duster right on the end of the extension pole. So now I can get way, way, way up high if I wanted to. All of these lights look a little dirty and dusty up here, but this is the whole idea. Look, we can get out of the set almost.
Our studio may not be the cleanest place in the whole world.
Because you can't reach it, right, David?
Well, so, I mean, if I could reach that easily, it would be a lot cleaner.
Yeah, that's the whole idea.
On a regular basis.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you can do that. When we think about creating these tools, we think about people like my mom. She's 87 years old, still lives independently, but she likes to clean. So I don't want her to move furniture or get a chair or a ladder or do anything like that. This gives her the freedom to go way up high and way down low.
What
and
is it
everything
about that generation that they like to clean?
David, I don't know. Oh, well, I mean, it's a kept house, right? It's a clean house, right?
Well, everybody wants a clean house.
Yes, everybody wants a clean house.
As my mother says, everyone wants to go to heaven, nobody wants to die.
That's very true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is what it's all about. Now, this is puppy fur. It's a floor mop.
Yes, it is the mop. We're going to show you here.
All of it.
This is the duster. So this is bendable, so they can bend and get into those hard to reach places. You can do your ceiling fans on both sides at the same time if you wanted to. That sleeve comes off. It goes in the washing machine and the dryer. You take that handle off and you put the mop head on. That is our Easy Glide pad. It's made to be used wet or dry, right? We made this like the oversized custodian mop so that you can use it dry before you wet mop. You peel that pad off, you put that in the washing machine, and then of course this comes with a full set of puppy fur towels. You can see there's 5 individual 10 by 10 puppy fur towels. Great for doing your deep cleaning or your damp dusting. I actually did that in my office this week, and it was so cathartic. You talk about why does that generation love to clean? Because when you're done with it, man, it feels so good.
Well, it feels great when it's over.
Yes.
And
yes.
Everyone loves a clean house. I'm big behind that. I don't like how you get there.
I don't disagree.
Yeah, but this is now. We also have a value story, and we have that on the screen. I'll repeat it. $57.30 is what you'd pay at retail.
Yes.
We've got the same kit, all 10 pieces, for $34.98.
Yes.
Now, we have it in pink or red. Spin a wheel, throw a dart.
Spin a wheel, throw a dart.
But if you want pink, it is more limited. I will tell you that.
All right.
Kind of like the color of your sweater.
Yeah, I was feeling a little Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, buddy.
And to your lovely Valentine's
Yes,
Stella.
my wife, Stella. Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
And to your daughters as well.
And to both of my daughters. You know, my youngest daughter, I said Happy Valentine's Day to her this morning. She said, well, that's not how that works, Dad, because Mom's your Valentine. She's 13.
Will she turn down the candy?
No, she ate it at breakfast. So I'm going to tell her, gee, I'm calling you out right here. Okay, so now we can, off of the extension pole, we can take the duster off, put the mop head on, and this is our Easy Glide pad. The whole idea is that I'm going to show you, I'm going to leave a little bit of room here, but you can use this to clean dry. But ordinarily, when you want to use it wet, you would take just a little bit of tap water. Now, this pad is white. The pad that you're going to get is going to be gray. We're going to show you white because I want to show you that we started with a clean pad, right?
Yeah.
But when you get this home and you start mopping the floor, this is almost like the white sock challenge or that clean pad test.
You ever wear white socks in your house and then look down after about a half an hour and the bottom of your socks are black?
Look, they look like that, right?
That's why.
That's the microfiber doing the job for you. It's lifting, trapping, and removing. And you'll see that I left myself a little bit of room here in the front of the pad, right? And I did this for a reason, because now I don't have to bend over. The microfiber pad is going to get up against that quarter round. I don't have to get on my hands and knees and rub and scrub. I can get with that articulating head. I can get all around the corners with that tight spot. And then
I love this.
We made this pad this size because now if I wanted to clean the risers of the stairs, I could do that as well if you have wooden stairs. And then again, where does this go, David?
Into the washing machine.
In our ceremonial washer and dryer, which is the laundry basket.
Which is the laundry basket on the back of the set.
That's right.
I think this is lovely because so many times my quarter round is filthy.
Filthy.
And I wonder, where does all this dust come from?
Yes.
I have no idea where it comes from, but it collects.
Yes.
And how do you clean it? Now, you can get down on your hands and knees
Don't want
and
to do
clean
that.
it little by little.
Don't want to
or
do that.
You can use this mop.
You can use the mop, and again, because of the extension pole, you get way up high, way down low, and we didn't even get a chance to talk to you about these puppy fur towels.
No
but
puppies
listen,
were harmed in the making of these
These
towels.
are the best, the thickest, plushest towels, most absorbent towels that we make here at Campanelli. But I'm telling you, if you do a little damp dusting with these, fantastic. And you get a full set with this kit.
We have pink, we have red. You choose a color because it makes you smile. Both kits are identical. But I will tell you we are more limited in the pink, so please don't wait on that. Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you, buddy.
Have a great Valentine's Day
You
with
too,
Miss
thank
Stella.
you. I appreciate you.
And please wish her a happy Valentine's Day for us.